Hey there, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into hacking SEMrush for targeted lead generation. My name is Garrett Mehrguth. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Directive Consulting, and let's explore this new tactic. Now, if you've been in search marketing for any length of time, you're probably pretty familiar with SEMrush. We use it for all sorts of tactics and use cases here at Directive Consulting. But today, I want to talk about how you can figure out what exactly keywords are going to work for your business to quickly generate leads from your PPC campaigns. And as a side note, we actually already made a video called Paying for SEO, which kind of dovetails off this topic. So make sure you check out that video before we really get too deep into this one. Let's take a moment to assume that you're in an industry, maybe like ours, or like a software company, where third-party lists, like Clutch.co for us, or Software Advice or Capterra for software companies, dominate the bottom of the funnel. So anytime you're looking for a specific software, like healthcare software, modified by top, best, or reviews, Capterra and Software Advice are gonna show up pretty frequently. Now try that for your industry. Take your primary keywords, like for us, SEO agency, and then type top, best, or reviews. Now look at those results. Those top results, if any of them are paid lists, you're gonna wanna grab that URL. Copy and paste that URL. All right, you got your URL copied. Now you're gonna wanna go over to SEMrush. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go over to the organic traffic tab on the left sidebar. And then you're gonna go to the area called URL. Right there, you're gonna paste in that exact URL. When you do that, something amazing happens. You can actually see every keyword that number one result ranks for. Now, the reason this is so cool is because now you can start to build out single keyword ad groups for all the specific keywords that people are looking for related to healthcare software or whatever your industry keywords are. This is really important for targeted lead generation. You see, if you start with just a phrase match or a broad match modified or, God forbid, a broad campaign, then you're gonna have to be going in there almost daily to set new negatives. There's almost an infinite amount of negative keywords. So for our own business, actually, we do this. So we take our Clutch.co listing for SEO agencies, where we're number 3, and then we actually build out single keyword ad groups for all the different keywords that page ranks for, that we think that the searcher is qualified to be our client. You can do that exact same thing. And what's so powerful is you take away the guessing, and you're able to increase your search engine market share at the bottom of the funnel for the keywords that you already know have volume, that are working for a directory that hopefully you're already on. So let's recap this actionable, quick tactic. Step 1, understand your marketplace and what directories are ranking at the bottom of the funnel. Step 2, copy that URL and paste it into SEMrush under the organic traffic tab underneath URL. And then finally, step 3, set up single keyword ad groups that are going to dedicated landing pages for these keywords. We're converting at over 10%, so hopefully that's your benchmark, and let us know if you need any help to beat it. Thanks, and have a great day. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below.